Alright, so you got the light, you have the location where you want to fix it, so we're gonna fix it. The star key you need for the Chevy G30, look at that, beautiful, beautiful, look at all that breast, beautiful. You're gonna need a 3/32 key, and that's what it looks like. I'm showing this because this light apparently isn't working, and I need it to work. Because when you lock your doors, and I'll show you, this one lights up. This is what it looks like when it works. Alright, now this is what we're dealing with. Not good. So, get this star key here. Sometimes there's a lot of rust and corrosion, so don't mind that. Gotta remove it. The lights, these lights haven't been replaced for about, I would say, 10, 15, maybe even 20 years. Alright. They're very small screws, so, oh god. Be careful. Keep them. Clean all that gunk off if you feel. I don't. I am most excited to show you guys what this looks like on the inside. How's your day so far? You alright? Anyways. So, we got all this off. Now this is what it looks like on the inside. Pull this garbage out. Oh, so there's no light in there. That's not supposed to. The light is supposed to be in here. It's not supposed to be down there. All right, so let's turn this on and see if it was working either way. Yeah, so it wasn't working either way, but it's supposed to be in there like that. So I'll show you. But first, you're gonna get this light out. Let me unfortunately use this people's car as a prop for my phone. So this is what it looks like. Pull this. If you can get this bulb out, this is what it looks like here. Let's see, am I getting that? That's what it looks like. We got this replacement here. And by the way, if you forgot which one this was, 194 Silver Star. You can get these for $6 to $7. There's an alignment thing that you put in here. Wriggle that in. Now it looks like this. Now we have to get this into this hole and make sure it actually goes in, so. Oh god. 1 second. Thank you to whoever's car this is, letting me use it as a prop. I really appreciate you. Whatever. Alright. Whatever. So now that that's in, I'm not even gonna bother with all that garbage that's in there. Forget it. It's someone else's problem, not mine. Let's see if this light works before we reinstall everything. So, unfortunately, the light doesn't seem to want to work. Ah, there it goes. Yes. Yes, it works. Tutorial complete. All right. Let's get all this stuff back in. All right. You know, just as easy as it was to get on or get off, easy to get on. Just make sure all this stuff's aligned. This is something you want to learn how to do on your own, so you're not mechanic looking crazy. Getting priced out on things that you can't afford. Now, just to show you guys the end result. Yay, now when I turn, people will actually know. All right, so this has been a tutorial by your boy. Like, subscribe, share this video. This is a part of the van life survival guide. Your guide, your key, your narrative to build an optimal van existence out here. Because, you know, buying a van is only one part of it. Knowing how to manage it, knowing how to take care of it on your own, that's literally half the battle. So, hope you learned something from this. You definitely did. For that backlight, which I did in my other video, you're going to need 1157s, but I already have a video for that, so I'll link that down below. Check out the Van Life Survival Guide, first episode, aside from the 2 that I've already released, coming out today. So, keep that in mind, stay posted. Shalom, have a great day. Peace.